How to sign up for Cryptoguru application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to sign up for the Cryptoguru app on your phone, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Cryptoguru application on your smartphone. Once you're inside the lobby page of Cryptoguru, go to the top left and tap on the gear icon. Inside the settings menu that appears on the screen, tap on sign up. On the next page, go ahead and enter a name for yourself, and then on the next field, enter a valid email address. Make sure that you type in your own email address and the one that you have access to. Go to the next field where it says password once done with email and create a strong password for your account. Finally, click on sign up at the very bottom of the screen. If you don't want to sign up with email, you can also sign up with Apple. After you tap on the sign up button on the next page, you need to go ahead and enter the code sent to you via your registered email. Go ahead and open up the same email inbox for the email that you just typed in. Go open up your email and copy the code inside it. Now get back to the Cryptoguru app and paste in the code. Once done, click continue. Now, you have successfully completed your sign up for Cryptoguru. Once signed up, you can practice crypto trading, learn tutorials, use virtual money. This is a learning and simulation app, not a real crypto trading, and it is designed for practice only. So that is how you can easily sign up for Cryptoguru. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.